pinakamahirap na isipin is yung 2025 dahil ang interest rate during the COVID was so low. Ngayon, nag-increase siya ng more than 2%. So kapag mag-renew sila ngayon, it will be hard for them. And also, if they're buying a new house or they're planning to upgrade.
Higit 1,000,000 mortgages daw ang kailangan i-renew sa Canada sa 2025. Ayon sa pinakahuling survey ng Royal LePage kamakailan, 85% sa mga ito kinuha nung mababa pa ang mortgage interest rates ng mga bangko. 6 sa bawat 10 Canadian na na-survey, inaasahang tataas daw ang monthly payments nila ngayong taon. Ang ilan, plano nang bawasan ang paggastos o pagbiyahe para makatipid.
I've been hearing a lot from people, even from my clients, that this year, 2025, they're gonna cut back on their spending habits and even their traveling habits. Many of them are not planning to go home to the Philippines to visit their families.
Maaari raw malaman at makalculate kung ano ang magiging bagong mortgage payment 6 na buwan bago ang mortgage renewal deadline na walang penalty sa mga bangko. Kapag masyadong mahal ang mortgage payments, maaari raw makipag-usap sa isang mortgage broker para makumpara nila ang iba't ibang interest rates ng lenders. Gayunpaman, kailangan daw maganda ang credit score at ma-approve muna.
The mortgage broker will need your income documents and your credit check to make sure that you qualify for mortgage approval with a different bank. And they can hold, we mortgage broker, we can hold the rate 4 months before the maturity date.
Maaari rin daw habaan ang amortization sa isang mortgage renewal o bilang ng mga taon kailangan para mabayaran ang utang sa bangko para mas mapababa ang monthly mortgage payments. Kailangan pa rin ang credit check para rito. Ang payo ng mortgage brokers para mapataas ang credit score, dapat on time ang lahat ng bayad sa minimum payment sa credit cards.
Make sure that you limit your borrowing from or using your credit card to at least 60%. Okay? Because over that, nagmamax na kayo ng credit card at bumababa ang inyong credit score.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.